Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make Ube Doughnuts. Add in 3/4 cup of whole milk. Add in 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar. Whisk it in to dissolve. Add in 1 envelope of active dry yeast. Add in 2 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of table salt. Add in 1 large room temperature egg, 4 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter, the yeast milk mixture, and 2 teaspoons of ube extract. Mix this just until the ingredients are combined.
Donuts were my favorite growing up as a kid, and I'm so excited to be making ube flavored ones. Attach the dough hook attachment and knead the dough on medium speed for about 8 minutes. Let this dough proof at room temperature for 1.5 to 2 hours, which will allow the dough to double in volume.
Punch down the dough in the bowl to deflate it, and roll the dough into a circle. Cut out donut shapes. We're going to let these donut rounds rise again about 1 hour.
Carefully slide the donuts into the hot oil 2 at a time, and fry them for 45 seconds on the first side, and fry the second side for another 45 seconds. Do this until you've fried all of your donuts.
Add in 5 cups of powdered sugar, 2/3 cup of whole milk, and 1/4 teaspoon of ube extract. Whisk them together very well till there are no lumps. Dunk them face down into the ube glaze. Let the excess drip off.
Yum!
I love that slightly crispy outer layer and the soft and spongy inside.
Me too. I consider myself a bit of a donut aficionado, so I'm so happy and excited to know that we can make these ube donuts from scratch.